the middle lane to take the South State Route 157 ramp, then use the right lane to turn left onto Illinois 157 North, South State Route 157 North.
So,
At the light, use the right lane to turn left onto Illinois 157 North, South State Route 157 North. In a quarter mile, slight right onto Illinois 157 North.
Obviously, it's north of 270. Yeah, where that little white car went.
Slight right onto Illinois 157 North. Continue for 4 miles.
Eddyville. Okay, our first stop is going to be in about 3 miles up this road at the Illinois Route 66 monument. It looks like it'll be on our right-hand side. I think we've been there for something else.
I was hoping to find a place to stop for.
Huh?
I was hoping to find a place to stop.
Well, there will be. And again, when desperate, I can find a bush.
Well,
I have pulled into a parking lot, opened the doors, and beat up the side of the car.
I know, but I mean, it's like, oh, whenever you're looking for anything,
Yes, I know.
it's like, did they not have gas stations in this town? Oh my God.
There's a gas station over there on your left.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
I mean, if it's in okay.
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Okay, keep going.
Continue for 3 miles.
And like I said, I think it's going to be on your right. In 3 miles. those Town Place Suites by Marriott. I've stayed in a couple of them. And they're, well, depending on where they are, of course. They're no more expensive than a regular hotel room. And they have like a it's just a little bit more space.
Well, that's very nice. Country hearth. I'll tell you, the motel business or lodging business has got to be so competitive. People are always, building new things.
And we often stay at Holiday Inn Expresses also.
Refurbishing.
You have a mile and a half. Oh, there's a Drunken Fish sushi restaurant.
Yeah. I think we have been out here for something.
Well, I know I have been out here, for sure.
Surprising amount of Japanese food here in Edwardsville.
Well, they're chains, I bet. 7/10 of a mile. Look at all this new stuff that's gone up.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the right.
Okay, so it's keep going. See that big parking lot on your right? I think it's there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I have been here. Turn here. Turn here. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, dear.
And
Yes.
Too bad you got a guy right behind you.
Well, we'll figure it
I think it's this orange shingled building. Yeah, let's just pull in here.
Yeah.
You'll figure it out. No turn on red. West End Service Station.
This is driving through lovely Edwardsville, Illinois.
I'm surprised you didn't bring your camera.
Well, we're getting.
Okay, 2/10 of a mile.
I remember this. We've been here. I said, I remember this too. We've been here.
There's the Walgreens. Not here. Up here. Keep going, keep going. Turn right. in my thing, and then go straight.
In 2.2 miles, turn right into the car park.
So, yeah, stay here. Turn right into the car park. Whoop. Oh, there's Dewey's Pizza.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay. I've been in there. There was a cache in there. It was a tricky one, and we could never. I found it more by luck than by.
Another sushi bar. Wow.
Yeah.
That's surprising.
I wouldn't go too fast through here. I have it's 25.
Straight.
Straight. Yeah, keep going straight. In a little over a mile and a half, we're going to turn right into what I think is a church parking lot and the caches. Oh, rooster.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, I've been down here and I did some bizarre cache down here. Crows.
In 1 mile, turn right into the car park.
Okay, you've got about half a mile. Could be the church up there. The name of the cache is something like "Seek and Ye Shall Find," which, you know.
Turn right into the car park. In about 1 mile, turn left onto State Route 143 East. Proceed about 1 mile.
That's about what she's saying.
In half of a mile, left turn. At the next lights, turn left. the lights. Turn
Next
left
left, and
onto
then
State Route
right turn
143 East.
onto I-55 South. In 4/10 of a mile, right turn onto I-55 South.
Okay, so I can turn mine off.
Yeah.
It is 57 out there.
Next right onto I-55 South.
And some geese standing out on the ice.
Yeah, I'm surprised they're still on the ice left.
Yeah.